Kinda looks like the slime from Ghostbusters 2 is taking over Australia. Actually, it's sea foam. Hey guys, I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz60. Huge winds off the ocean blew piles of sea foam onto Australia's Sunshine Coast. How do you get rid of that? It's not like there's a foam plow. So obviously that caused a dangerous scene, as you can see this bus struggling through the muck. It may sound like the tagline to John Carpenter's The Fog, but there's something else in the foam. So obviously when your town looks like someone put hand soap in the dishwasher, you're gonna go and check it out. Especially the policeman here, who is trying to do whatever he can to help until he almost gets smoked by this hidden car. Great dodge. By the way, how awesome do you think it is to own a car wash on the Sunshine Coast right about now? Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.